Okay, so the Bravo's having its first ever mechanical headache, I would say. So when I bought the car, it's always been idling at like 900, and the steering wheel is like this. The camera won't pick it up, but the steering wheel is pretty shaky. And then under load, like let's say 15 RPM, that's the steering wheel. So it's absolutely perfect. And then now, I don't know if it's an air to fuel thing. So let me see if it hiccups a little bit. So my foot's all the way down on the gas. It's kind of jerky around like 5,000 RPM. It's like it's not getting all the fuel. I do need gas, but I don't think that is the reason. Maybe it is and maybe it isn't. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably, I don't know, change my spark plugs. Like I said, look into the air filter. Maybe the fuel filter if it has one of those. I'll look into my injectors as well, but let's drive it again. So first gear is pretty regular. But then right now, you see it, it's kind of like, I'll change the camera around too, so you can see it like when it jerks. I'm not sure if the camera's actually gonna pick it up. I'm using my phone right now. First gear, ooh, look, it's already sputtering right now. Second gear. And honestly, I feel like if I put, like right now, I don't know, I feel like you can't tell, but it's clearly not doing it. And if I do wide open throttle, like, yeah, wide open throttle is when it's like at its worst. If I do very little throttle, then it's kind of back to normal. I don't know, I really don't know what it is. Like I said, it's under load. It's not only when I'm going like uphill or anything, so it's not like a power, like, you know what I mean? Like I know it has 40 horsepower, I don't think it's that either. But I'm definitely gonna look into it right now. So that's kind of an update on the van. This is my first ever mechanical, well, I don't really think it's mechanical. I think it's like tune-up. Like I've been saying since I got my van, I just drove all the way to Baltimore, that needs to do a tune-up. I don't think it's a timing belt or anything. I think it's spark plugs, injectors, air filter, if it has a fuel filter, stuff like that, because it is fuel injected. But like, you see, that's first gear, pretty bad. Second gear, again, pretty bad. And I'm like 10 minutes away from my house, so I don't think mechanically anything is gonna go wrong. But right now, like I'm in third gear, like at 3,000 RPM, and it's fine. If I go to 4,000 right now, barely on the gas, big ass pump. I'm fine right now. Like I'm A-okay. And I'm gonna continue this video too when I get some gas. There's a gas station coming up soon. I feel like it's gonna go away. What are you doing right now? I'm about to get some gas right now, and I want to add that the two issues that I'm having right now are not at the same time. It's always had a weird idle, like it was always pretty rough. Like, yeah, the camera really doesn't pick it up. But the sputtering just started happening, I think like yesterday, and I haven't drove. I mean, I was in Atlanta for a week, but I think I've gone over a week not driving my car, so I don't think that's the issue. But I'm about to get some gas right now, and I do feel like it's an air to fuel issue. I don't know what it is exactly. I guess I could pop my hood and see what the problem is. But I feel like after I fill my tank up right now, I guarantee you it's gonna go. Well, I'm not gonna guarantee you, but I believe it will go away. So we'll see right now once one of these cars move. We just filled up 27 bucks with some good old 93, and let's see if that made a difference. Like I said, I think it's some air to fuel issue. I don't think it's like a timing belt or a transmission or anything like that. So you start up. Starts up nice and smooth. Our gas is full. Put my seatbelt on. As of right now, it is not sputtering one bit. Go this way. Look, 7,000 on the RPM, no sputtering. Again, look, gunning it. Third gear, no sputtering. So like I said, I think it's, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Like I said, it's my first time it really happening for real. Like it happened once, but I had 3 passengers in the car, and I was going up a steep hill, and I was like, damn, my thing is really struggling, and I don't remember how much gas I had. But today, like 5 minutes before I started this video, obviously I'm using my phone, it wasn't a planned video. It started sputtering just like, you know, as you saw, just regular straight road under load. And I was like, hold on, let me put my camera out because maybe someone else has had this issue. But as we're kind of just realizing right now, it's obviously a fuel, like air to fuel, one of those things. Because right now I'm full tank of gas and look, wide open throttle. Like, I'll change my camera. So I'll drive again so you guys can see. Wait till this truck gets on my way. Right now I'm in second. Just driving smoothly. When we're at like 4,000 RPM before, it was started sputtering. But look, second gear. Third gear. Wide open throttle. Wide open throttle. And as we can see, there's no sputtering. So I don't know what it is. I'm gonna post this video on YouTube though. I know it isn't like your typical video, but maybe it'll help some people out. Maybe somebody in the comments can help me out. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Like, I'm gonna obviously change the spark plugs. I'm gonna look into some fuel injectors, see if that helps. I already used a couple injector and like lubricating things in the past, but I'm gonna see what I can do. You know what I mean? I don't think it's like I said, I don't think it's clearly a transmission issue. I don't think it's a mechanical issue as much as it's air to fuel, one of those type of things. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. I still love my Bravo, don't worry. All right, one last update before I end this video. So I'm pretty sure it's obviously a fuel issue. I'm gonna hope that it's not my fuel pump. I feel like it isn't, because if it was, you know, I don't think the car would be driving right now. It could be getting clogged from maybe the 93 that I'm using here, and then like when it has low gas, it gets clogged, and then now that it has a fuel tank, the dirtiness is a little more spread out, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna look into buying a fuel filter ASAP. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe order that. If anybody here has a Bravo, let me know. I want to get a fuel filter. I checked GNR because I know everyone's gonna say that, but they don't really have stuff for this engine. But I'm gonna check that. And then I'm also going to look into, yeah, I'm gonna change my spark plugs, just period, just do a tune up. And then I guess that's pretty much it though. But for the people who I know are gonna comment, it's obviously a fuel issue. Let's hope it's not my fuel pump. Let's hope it's just a fuel filter. And I'm gonna do what I can to get it fixed ASAP, because I do want to drive this to Atlanta very soon. So we'll see what happens. Luckily, like I said, I'm 5 minutes from my house, so I'm not really worried. But catch you guys on the next one. Peace.